Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods, and here I have a single sofa for you. But this sofa will show you the kind of work Aarsun does. First, who are we? Aarsun. We are an international registered trademark in 35 countries. We are working in more than 55 countries, and the basic work we are doing is promoting handicraft furniture. In fact, Aarsun has revived the handicraft furniture market because 10 years back, if you have gone to a showroom or you have visited somewhere, you would have seen mostly Chinese furniture, plain furniture everywhere. But these days, carving furniture is a lot in demand. And Arson has done so much work to promote these kind of products, the handmade, hand carved wooden furniture, and now they are back in demand, and the demand is huge. In fact, every part of India and out of India also. This one is in teakwood, the master work of the artisan. You can see here the crafting work, the skills. The out and out size of this one is 7 feet, back height is 4.5 feet, front to back this is 28 inches, 3 inches thick wood. 3 inches thick wood is used at the back, and it's double carved unit. I'll show you the back also, and you can see the design that we have on the front. Similarly, we have got design at the back, and these kind of units are placed where you have visibility from both the sides, and that is generally the center part of the room. So when the back is visible, such things looks amazing, and this is possible only with hand carving. No machine can do both sides work. One side can be done. Like something like this is an amazing art that our artisan does, and the work on the natural wood, the teak wood, is right visible here. Just like the heavy carved sofa, we have got a table, all carved as you can see, 4 feet by 2 feet, again in teak wood, and the design and the carving and the work is right visible here. Broadly, what I'm trying to show you here in this video is not just one piece of sofa, but the carving work, the work on the wood, and this is what Arson has got mastery in. The artisans we have, master artisans I call them, and they make such beautiful things. A huge sofa, 7 feet, spacious, and the work, size, design, color, pattern, fabric, everything is customizable. You can let us know what size you want. You want two chairs along with this, you want a three-seater more, you want a two-seater more. Accordingly, we can make it. The client wanted one sofa and table, and we have created that much only. So everything is as per your requirement, your choice, and we make it and deliver at your home at factory price, because we are making it, you are receiving it. No commission agent, no trader, no middleman in the middle, and that is why always the best price, top quality, the brand name of Arson, and your home safe delivery. Safe delivery, that is the most important thing, because such huge items need special packing, special transport, and the people should know how to handle the stuff. And this is what we have been doing for thousands of clients across the globe, and that you can see in a testimonial section on the website. You will find thousands of pictures. When the stuff has reached client place, they have placed it, they have clicked the pictures and sent it back to us. And these pictures does not only come as a picture or a reference, they come along with a lot of love, lot of blessings, and reference orders. Reference orders only come when you have best quality at best prices, because someone who is referring you should have confidence that yes, they have got the best thing. And this is what we are doing. One such unit here, and thousands of units on a website, on YouTube, Instagram, and different platforms. And you can check what you like. Even by AI, if you design something, we can turn that to reality, something like this, and you can let us know what you want. We'll make it and deliver to your home. The number is right here. Please contact us. Thank you. Dhanyavad.